Welcome to a few important notes about benzoyl peroxide, also known as BPO. So benzoyl peroxide is one of the ingredients that we use to get your skin clear. It is not the only one. However, it is quite powerful. And for a lot of people, it's the choice that we want to use, especially if there's other lifestyle issues involved. So when you start using BPO, you may experience some dryness or itching or flaking. It might even make your skin peel a little bit, but this is temporary and will subside. I promise you, your skin will adapt. The majority of skin will adapt. It will help to reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, reduce the sticky skin, the blackheads, all of those issues that, as you know now, all contribute to the cascade of acne. But here's the thing. Again, benzoyl peroxide can be irritating, so do not use it on your eye area or your lower neck because your skin is way too sensitive there. Don't use eye cream with benzoyl peroxide because the oils can displace the BPO and force it into the more sensitive skin. Sometimes clients will start using it and we realize their eyes are a little bit irritated, but they've been putting it far too close. Don't wear BPO when you're working out. Expect to perspire or be in hot sun because it can move. When you sweat and perspire, it moves around and it can get into those areas you don't want it to, like your eyes or the lower areas of your neck where the skin's a lot more sensitive. Don't apply creams or lotions on top. It can actually stop them from working. So you don't want to put oils or creamy lotions or anything that's like rich, but you can use a water-based product. So a water-based gel like a hyaluronic acid, a hyaluronic type serum, those can be very, very helpful and may even be necessary to mitigate the potential side effects of temporary dryness. Keep in mind, though, that BPO will bleach your fabric. So this is really important when you're applying it. If you're using it at night, you want to make sure that you're being careful because it will bleach your white towels, your washcloths, your sheets, your pillowcases, and you better wash your hands after you use it. But it's really not difficult. Most people use white sheets and towels anyway. And it will take a few weeks for your skin to adapt depending on how sensitive you are. We may need to go a little slower. But everybody's skin is different. So the best thing for you to do is to just contact us if you're having any challenges. We can absolutely show you how to adapt it. Now, if you're having an actual allergic reaction, that might be, say, hives or itching or a hard time breathing, don't mess around with that. Stop using the product immediately and contact 911 if you're having a serious reaction. But these reactions are really quite rare, especially when you're using the product appropriately. One of the most important things you can do is if we do suggest that you use a benzoyl peroxide, you're going to need to follow the timetable that allows your skin to adapt. It's very simple, and I won't go into it here because that may not be the best option for your skin. But basically, you wear it a little bit every night, take it off, wear it, take it off, until your skin adapts. And then usually after 2 weeks or so, your skin just sails through it with no problems. It does work when it's used properly. It has to be used properly and consistently. So again, reach out to us when you have any questions. And don't be discouraged if you can't use BPO. It only represents one path to clear skin.